Hey there, this is TommusRhodus and I'm showing you how to make the mega menu system work for you in Pivot, my new WordPress theme. Now if you watched our demo data install video, you'll have noticed that the mega menu sections have loaded in blank. Now this was quite good really, because now I can show you why this happened and how you can easily fix this if this happens to you, and we'll also cover how to use the mega menu. So why this happened is because when we imported the demo data, the menus have been given a different ID to how they were on my demo installation. Now this happens quite frequently when importing demo data if you don't have a completely fresh demo install. The reason being that everything on WordPress has an ID and every ID must be distinct. So it's quite simple. Now we'll just visit the page builder, and this is assuming that you've watched my video on the page builder. If you haven't, go watch that now and then come back. So we visit one of the mega menu layouts. So we'll take the home pages layout and select it. So you'll notice that this correlates to what we have in the demo. We've got four columns of menus within one large box. If you imagine that this white box here is the mega menu drop down, and each one of these is the columns of menus. Now you'll notice that footer menu is not the menu we wanted to display. We wanted to feature home layouts 1. So we choose that and close this down, and then we move on to the next one. And this wanted to be home layouts 2. Close that. Next one was features 1. And then the next one was features 2. And you use this drop down to select any registered menu you want. Now the reason we do this like this rather than just using link inputs, for instance, is that as long as you track menus like this, then you can update your menus at any time in appearance menus, and they will be instantly reflected within the mega menu system. So it takes a few more seconds to set up and will save you potentially hours down the road. So if we go back to the home page now, we'll see that home pages has the full mega menu set up. So that's all that bug was. All it was the menus just needed resetting in the template builder. And as I say, if seeing the page builder then confused you, make sure you go and visit the page builder video. Right, the next thing I'll show you how to use the mega menu system. It's post based. So we take Ebor mega menu, we add a new post. So we'll call this another features menu. Doesn't really matter. Now anything you add into this WordPress editor will be rendered into the white box area of the mega menu, as in the big drop down. Realistically, just standard content like this is not going to look that great in your mega menu, so you'll likely want to use a page builder template, and most likely you'll want to be using plenty of menu elements in there. So if we were to add the mega menu home pages template into our new post, like so, when we were to load that into the menu, it's just going to create the exact same thing as this. Because we have a post, we load into that post our mega menu template, and then that renders in here. The same way that if we were to just use standard post content, just typing into the editor, that would also render in here. So we've made our new mega menu post, and that's what controls the mega menu and its content, and then we load that into our menu in appearance menus. Now the way we load this in is we just load it in as a singular link. Now you'll notice down here you can't see anything with regards to the mega menu, but that's because we need to go up here to screen options, and you'll see all these options for show on screen. We can add categories, anything you need. For now we're only interested in Ebor mega menu. We open this up and we can see all of our registered mega menu posts. Now see here, home pages, Ebor mega menu item. That's the one we've been hovering over and seeing the columns of menu items. So if I was to add this to the menu, it loads in just like any other item. Now a mega menu item should always be added as a sub item, like this, not as a main item, like that. And it should only ever be the singular sub item. So we only want one item when we're using a mega menu. So that's how the structure looks like when you're using Mega Menu. And this is the result. That's all there is to it. I hope you found this video useful. Cheers.